Hello and welcome to this Virtofy tutorial. My name is Andre Weinhold and I'd like to show you how to get started with the Virtofy for Unity plugin. To do so, we have to install it first by going to Assets, Import Package, Custom Package. Select the plugin package you have downloaded from our download page. Okay, now click on Import, and this will import all items, so all texture files, scripts and everything else into your project. Once this is done, you get a short message box which shows you that we have to recompile something again to make everything work as expected. So fine so far. Okay, now it's installed and you can get a new menu item here, Tools, Virtofy and Tour Settings. Then we go to Building. And now we have to specify our output path by clicking on Browse. I've prepared already a path. Okay. And then just click on Build and Run. This will now generate all files which are needed by the app to run this tour inside the app. Once this is done, the plugin asks you also for the app which needs to be started after the compilation process. We give him our installed app here, and now you can see that the app gets started and the tour gets loaded, and you can fly around and do whatever you want in the tour within our app. I hope you enjoyed this and say thank you for watching. Bye bye.